guys, it's Anna. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have another Stitch Fix unboxing for you, and this box is huge. Look at this. Look at this baby. So it is still September. Currently it is September 20th, and this is my second box for this month. Okay, so if you didn't watch my last Stitch Fix unboxing, I kind of didn't like majority of the things that were in the box, and I was going back and forth with two tops, but they were kind of costly and I wasn't sure if I wanted to keep them for that price, so I actually ended up sending it all back. So if you want to see that unboxing, you can check it out right here. And I guess when I was checking out, they asked me if I wanted another fix like real quick, so I said okay, sure, let's see if you guys will get the point now. So I made some adjustments. I used my words correctly. I think I'm hoping that there might be like a jacket in here, because I went back and I asked for a few specific items. I said that I would like army green, more simple patterns. I like the army green jackets, olive and stuff like that. So guys, wish me luck, because I have a trip coming up and I would love something new to wear. So anyways, without further ado, let's get into this box. All right. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. Oh, and by the way, this top that I'm wearing, let me get up so you could see it. It's actually from Stitch Fix. It's kind of long, super soft, super nice, love it. It actually showed up in I forgot that area. I think it's called like Trending For You, and I was like, okay, let me buy it. I don't remember how much it costs, so I'll put everything somewhere over here for you guys. But anyways, let's get into this box. All right, I don't know, let me show you. Oh, so this is what it's looking like. Okay, that's okay. So this is the priority envelope that they send you with every fix, and if there's something that you don't like or you want to change or return, you just pack everything in here and send it right back. And if you want $25 off your first box, be sure to click the link in the description down below. It's really good value, especially for your first box. Okay, all right, so let me show you this again. So it kind of fell apart, but this is what I have. Messy, right? I think maybe because the box was big, so we'll forgive them. Let me move this paper so it doesn't make the noise. Okay, so I don't see anything olive. And I see another burgundy-ish, purple-ish top, which I don't like the color. I keep putting it in my don't like color preference. Told them because of my last fix that I don't want anything to do with purple and burgundy. And let me show you what's here, and then I'm going to go try it on, and I'll come back and I'll let you know what I think about this. All right, so we're gonna start with this burgundy-ish, purple-ish top. I mean, I guess it's kind of cute, but this is, and it's very stretchy, which is great, but this is just, it's just not my color, and I'm just bummed because I specifically repeated myself that I don't want this color, but we'll give it a try. We'll try it on. All right. Okay, this is very fall. It's kind of cute. This I think would look great with like a nice pair of jeans. Okay, I don't have anything like this, so I'm, I guess, kind of excited and nervous to see what it's gonna. What is this? Holy moly! They sent me a skirt. Okay, so this is a skirt. I think it's definitely full length. It's kind of nice, I have to say. And it's also stretchy. This might be perfect for Disney. If you guys don't know, we're obsessed with Disney. Okay, so this has possibilities. Okay, next item. All right, this looks like a dress. Okay, mixed feelings. I don't like belts because it just does not look flattering. It's very stretchy, which is good. But again, I asked for fall items. This is like spring, summer to me. Like this is, like I can go to church on Easter in this dress. It's cute, just not for fall. And it's not double lined, so it's kind of see-through. All right, moving along. Okay, so I see what this is. This is probably like a hoodie or a vest or something. It's definitely not army green. At this point, I mean, I haven't opened it yet 100%, so, and of course I have to try it on, but it's like army green and jackets and olive green. It's just like, it's the season right now, so like, why couldn't you send me something in olive green? Okay, so, all right, so I guess this is like, what is this even called? Coated fleece jacket. I'm not sure how I feel about it. It looks bulky. I like the detail on the sleeves and on the pocket, and it also has a hood. I thought for a second maybe it's like reversible. No, but it has a tag. Okay, I don't know. This is very far from olive green, don't you think so? Anyways, let me go try this on and I'll be back in just a second and I'll let you know what I think. I don't know, mixed feelings again. If this is not gonna work, I might have to put a pause on this Stitch Fix business. See you in a second. Okay, so we're gonna start with the skirt. So the skirt itself, it's cute. It's super soft. This is the print. It's black and white. Like I said, I think it would be perfect for like Disney trips because I like to wear dresses in Disney. I feel very comfortable in them. But as stretchy as it is, this top, the top of the skirt right here, does not have any, like, no support at all. So for me, unfortunately, this is going to be a no. And this skirt is $48. Yes, $48. All right, let me put it right here. I have a box on the bottom. Don't worry, I'm not throwing anything on the floor. So this dress, again, really pretty summer, spring, beachy, I don't know, vacation kind of dress. If I was expecting, this would be cute. The other problem is it's see-through. There's no coverage, and especially if it's tight on your body, you're not getting much coverage at all. Like you could see everything. So this dress is it's $68. So this dress is going to be also a no for me, unfortunately. Okay, now remember when I told you that I didn't have anything like this? And the reason is typically I find tops or blouses like this, they are just a little bit snug, and I don't like that feeling. And this one didn't feel nice on the skin. It was a little bit like itchy. And so this one is going to be a no for me as well. It's really pretty though. Like, I love this detail. I like the color for fall, but it was just too snug. The buttons opened up right over here on my chest area, and it was just too tight and just itchy. Oh guys, this is not looking good. So Next is this purple top. Now, the color is not my thing. Like, I don't like it. The style is so-so, but again, like this detail in the front that kind of comes together right here, it kind of like the issue I had with the last fix was that there was a top that like it like almost divided your chest, and I just don't like that. So this is going to be a no for me. I don't know in what language I need to tell them that I don't like purple or burgundy or anything in between. All right, now this jacket, hoodie jacket as they call it, like, it has potential. I love this detail. You know, it's on the hood, it's on the sleeves, it's on the pocket. Like, if you leave it open, it kind of like, you know, it would lay. Let me see if I can move back a little. I just try it on for you guys. One try on. So it would kind of lay like this. Sorry, I can't really move any more back. Like, it's cute, but it's bulky, and I don't like bulk. I want my army jacket. I want my army green jacket, I should say. I'm sorry, I have like things flying around. I think it's just like little fibers from all this stuff. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot to tell you that the purple top was dark purple. Yes, it was $58. And this light gray hoodie jacket is $88. So my grand total for this fix was $326. If I was going to buy everything, it's going to be minus 25%, which will give me $81.50 of a discount. Bring down my order to $244.50 minus the $20 credit fee that I had, like, still from the last time and the last time. So then my grand total would be $224.50. So now, because of the issue I had with my last fix, like, I really wasn't very happy with it, and I asked for specific things that I wanted and specific things that I want to avoid, and I really don't know how I ended up with a summery, springy dress with a belt, dark purple top, right, non-army green jacket, a skirt, I guess. I don't know, I didn't really request a skirt, and this top, which was very itchy. Anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will link all the items also down below for you. And if you do want to try Stitch Fix and see if they will hit everything on your wish list as far as colors and sizes and styles and everything in between, be sure to click the link below for your $25 off of your first Stitch Fix box. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you real soon. Bye bye.